The official now, Sammy Gyamfi say one year Bush have a counter up home. Never be a Covena, what was your Honorable Eric CEO and was a What's your Reverend 18 Fajo? What is here? Too small of that. Was it a papa now? Not in Hano. What is the one city of Cotoyalia? And then it was now to that. What do you for some time? I won't walk back. It took to show away. Put on my go at you. No more something to. I am here every year. If you have a phone, Yamania, City Candy, Sunsum of that. What's in the hand in Obaya? This is our 10 good years. Okay. I don't fancy the American phone call. Also, say, as of the year, the division. Nothing. I can't the official announcer or no NRP and the attitude of the break. I say, because of reform, because I will be committed. I would be as a son. Very yes, you can say, who to one here? Who free for? You will do as a teacher. I will be better people in that hole. Free. Sammy Gyamfi and on Mrs. Gyamfi. More Sunsum Multimedia so more nom that dear boy at Observance and Jessica and the other Jim Kwan. I can't open it lawyer Sammy Gyamfi on any radio and you can follow and Multimedia Papa Sammy Gyamfi. I don't know. And so when I say I hear a group and quiet the answer and Opinion lawyer Sammy Gyamfi. Was it I was say? Or was it so no? Now we jam on move and yo. Bemaba, Yobayan, why no? Name we shall know Mokani, Abusia, and Emma. Yeah, Sabre, whatever Sammy Gyamfi lawyer. Opa the roof for Sammy Gyamfi. Akwakwan Penisam Sammy Gyamfi. Renkono for 28 waters and Kanyamiani Sammy Gyamfi. Kasamafo Penima and this Yamanuko Sammy Gyamfi. Openi Pantrafa with that good boy, Eduma Ano Sammy Gyamfi. And then what in the year of Baba Ari Gyamfi. See Omatwa the Seno. So many my Bushian Shedding. Or someone in the year Emma Bushian Dakana. Or say one in the year I really say Nagomupe. Nasadi Ataka is the Kobasa Yankariska. Pam Fanto and Pan Anya one day and Maura Andrews. Sammy Amankwaa. Any Nanka Sammy Gyamfi say 1 year Bush have a counter up on home. Never be a Covena, what was your crown and Quapote. Nanso Amasa. Abra Sammy Gyamfi and Tia Utawani and Huachia. Aya Ura Samuel Ofosu Ampofo. Dodwana Bodamane Brass Sammy Photo. One is also one of the leading NDC members. You can't defend the pioneers. And when this is going to go to more. Ura, if you zoom up for Sunday, we will see more and really. Sabre, one is so many good. And a truth. Yeah, we are going to go to see. Ever for Sammy Gyamfi and Ura. Andrews Amankwaa and Dignitary.
Honorable Eric Wanso Eka Onoani Raho, Honorable Eric CEO Emanep Yeba Yura So Akwaba. Sani Abidia Edika is Yura Elder Samo Fusuan Bofo. One as they say was a political advisor,
former national chairman NDC, but now the political advisor to the president. Vice President, yes.
Yes. It's here, the former national chairman of the great Akatamanso Party, a political advisor, and Professor Jane Nana Opoku Atuman, now here the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Yema So Akwaba.
Sankoso and I am lawyer Edo. I am no Atuman, all the transport and the Sabre was also a elder Sammy Ufuzu and Pofobo and our
Dr. Keke Sapon Neba, also Ewaha.
Dr.
Keke Sapon Neba, Ewaha, Yamara Kwaba.
Former national chairman of the party, Dr. Sammy is also the presidential vice advisor to the vice president and the chairman of Cocoa Board Ghana. I can also see the deputy CEO of Good Board, deputy CEO of Good Board. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the leadership of the NDC are here to support their brother, their son, Lawyer Sammy Gyamfi and the wife and the family. Lawyer Sammy Gyamfi and the wife and the family. The national chairman of the party, Johnson Assembly General Secretary, Vivi Kwete.
Sabre, Sauhe Gadimwa, Aya Honorable Adam, Abana.
Yera Akogan, Deputy Communication Officer, NDC. Yera Akogan, when you are watching, Reverend Intim Fojo, former Deputy Education Minister. Reverend Intim Fojo, Yera Bobiansa.
Yes, Ramo, I don't
Yera Bobiansa. One do more Echia. One Yera Akogan. Yes, more Echia, Momonyanada. Akwaba. I'm not telling you. Emrantia ine Obaka Katache Brawachi
Enu Crawford Edamwase Say Multimedia from Amaye Modaroma Sabri na Kabo na Yobi Kabia
Unti supporters
Union
you receive Ketiamu Echuba from Amaye
the national chairman, the regional chairman, my NDC, Nana Kwasi, what is also Nana Kwasi Andrews, one of the delegation,
Francis Dodovi, also Wadra Watchia. Yama Francis Dodovi Akaba. And the Supporters Union. Union Supporters Union of Ghana. Mumla from MIA and the Supporters Union. Agoya Abba Rupesomo Airport. BH Migas. Also Romo Achia.
Yo, I don't call for Yadamwa say. Yes, Ramos Abre will be Bokra Munyan announcement a very important announcement. And Kaboy free a Diana Chabra de Nana Krobia Sante Kotoko free the Diagre. One no other than Busiana, Wamisa, Busia Penny, and Diana Busiana say. Get the forms Ramunya, get the forms Ramu. Was there Yama a war at the Foyer of Fawana Sonte? So when I made a year, don't want. May also let I toss a piasa, 30th May. And I beg your papa Andrews Sammy Amankwaa. Nayadano.
Opening the same fan.
May 30th May, the Samo, and you beg a bra. Never the damo. Not yet a year of the day 3 years. Then yes, right at the 40 down.
Wow, what is here? Sunsum of her. Was it Papa now? Landing now. What is our city of Potoya? And then it was now to that. What we for some time, our war, it took us so away. Put on my Baku at you. That we want. Oh, you baby. No one knows your own song. Brian was now to that. And Benito Catacho, Catapre, Catato is so how was I upon one of my uniform. No more something to. I am here, you are so. It will go visiting Pong, out of Rikizim, Linganati, a year to cross the Kanyamia, Yamania, Sigitani, Sunsum of that, what the Linganati no Baya. This is our Minopa Kumyalu, Miasa, and 9 room is just so much cruel to 10 good million. Honorable lawyer Sammy Gyamfi, who was Sunsum of that. Said the orchestra so no million too. That's the song. That's enough.
Abisim a champion Hima. Abisim a champion Hima Nana Edra Ochia. Yama Abisim a champion Hima Akwaba. Okay, Nano Madama. And then Madam Mugatia Doye. Okay, see Okunyine lawyer Sammy Gyamfi wonu hukani ana busia na mutie enchai ana enkane yemteni ema endi sama yokuo yera sama ofosu ampofo udi vice president office fonanim eno mobaye adole vice president Professor Nana Opoku Ajima Lashoya ya papa sama ofosu ampofo